I'm going on a hike in my region in Slovakia and decided that it's probably going to be a good idea to show you around in case you're interested. So let's go. This is how Slovak villages look like. I can already smell kind of countryside smell. It's not very pleasant, but I mean, it's just like, you know that you're in the countryside when you smell this. Hello, horse. Hi there. So this way to the lookout tower. Yeah, let's go. So let's go up. It is quite windy, so I doubt that you will hear me, but like, the weather is fine, the view is nice. What more to wish for? So while I'm here and enjoying this nice view, let's try Pop-Tarts that I brought from New York City. If you haven't watched, feel free to do it. So this one is probably like fruit flavored, I don't really remember. This is blueberry, yeah, this is the blueberry flavored one. It's cool, but a bit dry, I would say. And also let's eat something healthy. That's like carrot. Definitely less sugar in this one than in the Pop-Tart I ate. Let's try to get these on the way back. Mission completed. Perfect. What could I found again? Let's try that. Hopefully it's ripe. Yeah, it's not ripe. These ones seem like they are ripe. Nah, are not very sweet, they are sour. Alright, I guess I cannot go any more further. Cool, let's go probably back. This is like a classical Slovak village. We'll probably go there, so I'll show you maybe a better view of that. Hi dog. So we are here. This is the Slovak village. More remote than usual, but you get the idea. Hens are just running around freely. There's a rooster over here. Don't want to anger him. So yeah, they're basically like this. The buses run not very frequently, already like one arriving. So all in all, 12.7 kilometers.